Last Sunday at our family reunion, things took a turn for the hilariously absurd. Grandpa emerged from the attic with an antique typewriter, determined to join the 21st century by sending texts to our phones. We humored him, chuckling as he clacked away, but our amusement turned to bewilderment when the texts started responding. Each response was laced with sarcasm, poking fun at Grandpa's fashion sense and my cousin's questionable cooking skills. We were baffled, until Uncle Joe confessed he'd recently installed a smart home assistant. The plot thickened when we realized the neighbor's parrot, a chatty bird with a penchant for mimicry, had hacked into the system. It had been eavesdropping and typing the witty retorts. As we confronted the parrot, it squawked, "Who's a clever bird now?" Grandpa grinned and said, "Well, at least it's not a foul play."